Hey, and welcome to another episode in the Google Analytics series of 90-Second Knowledge. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to add annotations in Google Analytics. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the alerts button too, so you're going to get notifications of our latest video content as soon as it hits YouTube. Go on, you know you want to. So as I mentioned, today we're going to take a look at annotations in Google Analytics. But what are annotations and what are they used for? Well, annotations are snippets of text that you can put against a specific date in Google Analytics, and it allows you to keep a record of activity or campaigns or other things that you've done or seen that influence your website traffic. This is really useful when it comes to reviewing historic data, because you can quickly and easily see the activity you ran at that specific date and point in time and how it affected the traffic that you're reviewing. I've worked with so many businesses that don't use annotations in Google Analytics, and you come to look at historic data and you see a change in traffic or engagement information, and you're trying then to understand what caused it. Now this could be data from the previous year, could have been a campaign that was run by a digital marketing agency, but because there's no record in Google Analytics, you end up having to chase down different marketing managers and different people to understand what was done at that point in time that affected website traffic. It makes it difficult to find information, it wastes time, and it just is a bit of a pain. Whereas you could quickly and easily add an annotation and the information is already there waiting for you in Google Analytics. So, let's get 90 seconds on the clock and take a look at how to add annotations in Google Analytics. Adding annotations in Google Analytics is really straightforward, though it's a feature that's not currently being carried over to GA4. It's only available in Universal Analytics. To add an annotation, simply go to any report where you've got a line chart view at the top, such as the Traffic Channels report. Go to Acquisition, All Traffic, and Channels. When the page loads, underneath the line graph in the middle, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. If you click the arrow, you'll see a new box appear. If you've got annotations already, you'll see them here. If you haven't, you can create a new annotation by going to the right and clicking Create New Annotation. A dialog box appears allowing you to select the date, add your comment, and select whether you want the visibility to be shared across all users of the GA profile or private and only visible to yourself. Start by selecting your date. Next, we're going to go and add a new comment, and then we'll leave it as shared and save the comment. What you'll now notice on the line chart above is a small speech bubble where the comment has been added, and that ties it to the date. We can see the comment here, and as you start to build more annotations over time, you'll see more and more appearing here. You have an option to edit the comment if you want to. Just click the edit button. You can delete the comment if you wish or cancel your edits, and you can see who created the annotation so you can keep track of who's doing what. So there you go. That's how you can quickly and easily add annotation information in Google Analytics. And don't forget to encourage others in your business to do the same. The more people that input information here, the more useful it becomes when reviewing your historic data and looking back at what activity has worked for your small business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And join us again soon on 90 Second Knowledge for more digital marketing advice you can use.